One of the biggest lessons I've learned in life is to get started as soon as you get the idea. It's called the speed of implementation. How fast can you execute on a plan? What happens with most people is they want to research, and research. They want to spend months reading blogs and forums before they actually launch a campaign. It's a way for people to feel as if they're making progress, without actually putting in real work or taking risks. The more they research without making any progress, the more they overanalyze. It gets to a point where they convince themselves it's not a great idea anymore and they bounce to the next bright shiny object. Or they want to wait until they feel like they're ready. They want to work more to save money, or maybe they'll read some books or study copywriting. There's never a perfect time, the time is now. As soon as I heard about affiliate marketing, I took action that same day. I had no idea what the fuck I was doing. I had no experience, no mentors, and I barely had a budget. But I let my excitement of what was possible overpower my fears. Everyone says to think big. I'm going to be honest, I don't like that advice. When I think big, I intimidate and scare myself. Instead, I break down my goals into the smallest actions possible. Don't pressure yourself to make $10,000 within a few months. Do you know how to register a domain name? Do that, and do it as well as possible. Then figure out the next brick to master. Being an entrepreneur is like jumping off a cliff and trusting yourself to build a parachute on the way down. There is no magic moment in the future where you'll feel ready. You'll never feel ready, so you might as well start now. The best way to learn is to take direct action. Direct action means spending time shooting the basketball. Indirect effect means going shopping to find the best basketball clothes and shoes. Which one will get you further? Don't worry about the 100 things you have to do. In any given moment, there's only one best move to make. You'll deal with future problems when the future is here. You'll make far more progress taking action and making a mistake than sitting there trying to come up with the perfect plan. There are things out there that seem intimidating. Facts: no one was born knowing how to do X. Everyone that's an expert at X was a beginner who figured it out. There are people out there far more successful than you, who started with less confidence and fewer resources. You don't have any excuses. Hard is good. The harder something is, then the more rewarding it is. The harder something is, then the less competition you'll have in the long term. Everyone wants easy. Trust that you'll figure it out along the way. I promise that you're smarter than you think you are.